In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the time zone in Go High Level. Whether you're managing your own business or handling multiple accounts, ensuring that your time zone is set correctly is crucial for maintaining the accuracy of appointments and automated processes. We've broken this process down into simple steps so you can effortlessly make this adjustment without any hassle. Let's get started by opening up your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you regularly use. Once the browser is open, head to the address bar at the top of the screen and type in Go High Level. Hit Enter, and you should see a list of search results related to Go High Level. From this list, you'll want to select the official website, which is typically listed as do.gohighlevel.com. Click on this link to navigate directly to the main Go High Level homepage. Once you're there, you'll find a login button somewhere on the page, generally in the upper right corner. Click on it to proceed to the login screen. At the login screen, enter your credentials. This will usually require you to input your email address and password associated with your Go High Level account. If you happen to have forgotten your login details, don't worry. There should be an option to reset your password right there on the screen. Successfully logging in will redirect you to your account dashboard, where you can manage all your settings and information. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to navigate over to the Settings section of your dashboard. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to configuring your account. Typically, the Settings link can be found in the side menu or sometimes in a drop-down menu at the top of the page. Click on Settings to open the configuration options available to you. Within the Settings menu, look for an area labeled as Company or Business Profile. This section houses all the essential information about your business or organization that you're managing through Go High Level. Clicking on it should reveal various fields that you can update or confirm to ensure everything is up to date. The specific setting you want to change is the time zone setting. Take a moment to locate the field marked Time Zone within this section. Once you've found it, click on the drop-down menu to see a list of available time zones you can choose from. Navigate through the list and select the correct time zone for your business. This simple step ensures that all your activities, appointments, and automation operate according to your local time, preventing any confusion or miscommunication. After updating the time zone, make sure to save any changes you've made. Usually, there will be a button at the bottom of the page labeled Save or Update. Click on it to apply the changes you've made, ensuring that your new time zone setting is now active. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your time zone in Go High Level, keeping your business running smoothly and on schedule.